everybody, good to see you again here on the vlog. I wasn't sure if I would really have a vlog this week because I didn't vlog throughout the week. I was preparing for this trip, which started midweek Wednesday. Backing it up a little bit, Tyler and I had to go to Chicago for one kind of top secret duty involving me, which I can tell you about in the future. And the other thing that coincided with that was actually the Trial Lawyers Association big dinner and sort of a program for the new president, who is Bub's boss, Mark. And so we got to be part of that. It was super fun. Great time was had. I was so glad though to get home to the girls because I missed them so much. Like seriously, every night laying in that hotel room bed when I was gone, I was like, I miss them so much. I was thinking about vlogging while I was, doing stuff for the trip, but it sort of amounted more to a lot of Instagram stories. So I inserted some of that into that Get Ready With Me video that I posted. And then I thought I'd just kind of pick up today and just hop on here while we're getting back to normal. So we're out of everything. There's kid food and stuff. My mom and dad watched them over the last few days and like they have everything they need, but Tyler and I also need to eat. And we tried to do you ever do that before a trip where you try to really eat everything up so you don't have stuff sitting around unused for a few days like in your fridge? So we got to a really good place with that. We were very cleaned out. Actually did a little fridge clean out. Everything's looking good there, but we need some food to put in it, for nourishment. Also a bunch of boxes arrived, PR related stuff while I was gone, a lot over the course of just a few days. So I think maybe this calls for another unboxing. That's probably going to be the bulk of this video, actually. I would just point out a few things of note that I found while at Walmart getting everything under the sun. I saw these kits, these favorites kits for Walmart Beauty, and several of them, there was an eye one and a lip one. They actually look quite good, but I already had a lot of the things. And here, I do have a full-size Make It Dewy, but I don't mind having a small spray for travel, and they had these other glow-related things. So I thought that would be fun to try. Also, I have had just some pesky breakouts around my nose that just don't seem to want to go away. Somebody chimed in when I was first dealing with this, and I had just stopped nursing, and they said, well, it's probably a hormonal shift, that's happening there. So I could just wait to ride it out, or I could buy some new skincare products. So I got this little duo here, Aveeno Favorites for Clear Complexion. I had heard the cleanser being recommended, so I knew I was going to go after that, but this came with the moisturizer, so I thought, why not? I also picked up these products from Neutrogena, just because I'm kind of getting obsessed with solving this problem. And y'all, CoverGirl has a lot of new stuff, so I got a lot of that, and it will definitely be a topic for discussion in a future video. I do have a bone to pick, though. I'm assuming this was a local problem. Maybe not happening everywhere, but those palettes were all labeled as $4 and change, I think, and they ended up being $9 and change. I think that's a pretty significant difference for a drugstore palette because I thought I was getting a really sweet deal, but not so much. Aw, it's her little otter. What do you call this?
Mango.
Mango?
Mango.
Aww.
Got some tart. About a month since I've done this, I think. Oh, that's cool. I wonder if that's gonna be a massive mess or if there's a second. You. Don't tell me. Got okay, it's contained. Oh, that's even cooler. Nookie, come look at this. Ooh. Isn't that cool? All right.
So shiny.
So shiny. Everything in here so sparkly. Well, look, these are little flower stickers. Check it out. There's a little star. You could use that to hang them up like barbecue tools. Anyway, these are called Pretty Things and Fairy Wings. All right, so this is the Love, Trust, and Fairy Dust. See, that's pretty cool. It looks like a little flower on the inside. Oh, and it smells good. Can you smell it? What do you think? Smells good. Brush, yes. We will make sure Mommy does a video on this because this is pretty darn cool. Very impressed with Tarte. We got a few more Tarte items to burn through. They've been busy. See the change and celebrate World Ocean Day. I put my fins up in the air sometimes, saying ayo, love my home, yo. I thought that was gonna go somewhere funnier. Oops, watch out, full contact sport. Oh, okay, little canvas bag. They don't want They want you to use less plastic bags for the sake of the turtles, I think. I'll just use this when I go get my groceries. Oh, this is gonna be some dope stuff. I'm just guessing, but that looks like there's an app that matches your skin tone, and then you've got all these different options. There's a nice little chart to help you out as well. Creaseless under eye concealer. Press and melt with your finger. That seems like a lot of fun. Look at all these. So I'm assuming everybody's got one of these that fits best for them. So otherwise it wouldn't make a whole lot of sense to buy all these. And this looks like a very fancy toothbrush. Want to try it, Nikki?
No, thank you.
Okay. 8, 10, 12.
14, 16, 17, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30.
30 different shades. Look at that thing. Like a big old pyramid. Aaliyah. Shimmer and shine microphone seemed like a great idea in the store, didn't it?
Mama.
Hi, baby.
This is Mac. I think Aaliyah had some songs like back in the TRL days. Now we're getting into it. Finally got the kids distracted. Neat, like kind of brown color to it with a little signature. Okay, these appear to be lipsticks. Really pretty packaging. Ooh, that looks like a nice milk chocolate. Lip stuff. Just kind of plasticky. Oh dear Lord. Pretend I had a blueberry pie. So a little mini palette. A lot of shimmery colors. A couple of neutrals. Some shades are darker, some shades are lighter, and some of the colors are brighter. Baby girl bronzing powder. Better dust yourself off and trying here. Should I take the do-rag off? Laura Mercier.
Mercier.
I know. Looks like a handwritten note. Appears to be written to you. I'm not sure if she's gotten the memo that I do the unboxing these days. Takes a while to update the databases sometimes. Dear Emily, Laura Mercier Foundation Primer is innovation at its finest. As a makeup artist, Laura Mercier realized primer is the essential first step to creating a flawless face. Soon thereafter, we were the first beauty brand to introduce primer to the industry. I'm starting to get bored. Starting a little packet about the primer. Got an oil-free and an oil. One's oil-free, the other one's oil, right? Almost by definition. Lip gloss all over everything. I'm not used to wearing. So that's some primer out there. Probably not gonna match my tone, but, or does it not even match tone? Probably got an SPF 30 in it. What happened over there? It feels very silky smooth now. Now I'm primed for my hand makeup. So we've got Soft Blur Foundation. Looks like they've only got about 12 shades, which is kind of phoning it in. Got us a couple of bouncy balls. Gotta be careful with those. Choking hazard. Oh my gosh, there's a lot of bouncy balls. Oh, here we go. Now we're talking. Swag. Nothing says badass like a pair of Heart sunglasses over my existing glasses. Looks like it's all one product but just different shades of it. See if I can find mine. I'd say I'm probably a 1. God, this is ridiculous. This is done. This is not done. I'll let y'all be the judge. Not sure what I do when I get into the beard line. How I handle foundation at that point. I'll figure it out and do a future video. It didn't make much sense when we first opened it, but this is the whole box looks like one of their foundations. You get like a bonus water bottle. Would have been perfect for my foundation, but you know I gotta take them one at a time. Ooh, and looky here. Cream to powder makeup. Seems like skin preparation is the theme of this. Alright, which side's better? It seemed like it was easy to do. I don't know if I did it right, but it's nice that they had the little spongy thing in there to use. I had to use my fingers the last time like a chump. So I'm gonna go play with these super cool new lip glosses because they're all over the place. And there's also this awesome lighted mirror that you just take with you. Since the battery's running low, I'm just gonna do that by myself.
Love you, bub.
Love you.
Bye.
Bye.
It's a pretty good view, everyone. This is where I'm spending the afternoon. So did you guys know this is in the freezer section now? Found it at Walmart today. It's a macaroni and cheese meal. I split it between the girls and they are really enjoying it. Just, you know, for those days when you don't want to take a real long time. Just throwing it out there. She ate her broccoli right up. And we always start with some fruit and veggies, so she's already had her strawberries and grapes. Biddy, meanwhile, is still working on some of her fruit, but what are you doing to that nugget? Tenderizing it for yourself? Take a chomp. Take a chomp. Oh, good, good. Dipping it in the, why don't you dip it in the cheese from the mac and cheese? That might be good. Take it from an old pro. Yeah. And guess what Bub's picking up for me? Sushi! So unlike me, Bub is pretty familiar with sushi, has been for quite a few years now.
Right.
By the way, you're always wearing that shirt in the videos. Or some form of Monmouth apparel. But anyways, I said, Bub, start me out. Get me some basic sushi that like every sushi person.
We have never eaten at this place before.
So we think that's the ridiculous roll. That was a special one. Oh my gosh, and this is the rest?
These would be the California rolls. Those were the Philly rolls. Those are the salmon avocado rolls.
How do they look just at a glance, Bub?
A little small, but they're the simple ones, so they don't look bad.
Okay. The little backstory here, in case you didn't see the Get Ready With Me video, where I mentioned the fact that I tried sushi for the first time on our little trip, and I absolutely loved it, and I began immediately looking up local places.
I'm gonna try this ridiculous roll. It looks like a California roll where they've set some stuff on top.
How is it?
Good.
Where's Nikki? She's over there, reading a book.
You gonna try one of these?
I'm a little scared of those, to be honest.
They're spicy, but they're good. They're tasty. There's nothing bad about them.
Okay. Okay. Oh, wait, how am I?
I wouldn't dip. I wouldn't dip mine. So.
Okay. I'm losing it. This is a huge bite! Who puts this all in their mouth?
Just do it. Open it up.
It's when you're laughing and it's like constricts the facial muscles. Okay, take two. I'm gonna sit these things down. If you're tired of the chopsticks, then put them down and just, you know, eat it with your hands. I feel much better this way. I feel a lot more control. Oh my God!
What was that?
I thought the alarm system was just about to start going. Oh my God.
This is new.
Mmm.
Pretty good.
Mmm. 2 thumbs up for the ridiculous roll. Don't get intimidated, just stuff it in there.
Mommy, Mama.
Baby, I love you.
Baby.
I love you.
Baby.
Say mama love.
Mommy love.
Oh, baby love.
Baby love.
Mm-hmm.
Daddy love.
Love.
Right. How about nookie love?
Daddy love.
Oh,
Baby love.
Biddy love.
Baker love.
Baker love.
Yeah.
Can you blow kiss to everybody watching? No. Oh, yay! Say hi.
Hi.
Oh, yes, the biggest kiss. Yay!
Yeah, that's my second one.
Family Feud.
Mommy.
Yes?
Kanye and I, both times, have been on the exact same page.
Not sure what that says about you.
I don't know.
Not sure what that says about Kanye.
To me.
What?
The Dory book to me. Baby.
The Dory book? Yeah. What's going on in your lap there, bub?
They're hiding in the
Hi, everyone. The babies are in bed. We're going to watch something on TV. What exactly are we watching, bub?
An Evil Genius on Netflix.
It's a documentary?
Yeah.
Just a one-parter, or?
That's like 4 parts.
Oh, okay. We'll let you know how it went at some point in time. But I just want to say thank you for watching this vlog. Hope you enjoyed. And hope you have a great week ahead, everyone. And we will talk to you again soon. Bye. We're talking to Nookie and Biddy. Blow a kiss. Blow a kiss.